Hi, Ty with WTI, and these are my QRxLabs Glycolic Acid Pads. I've had acne since I was a teenager, so what I've done is, along with a skincare routine, is I've used these glycolic pads every 2 weeks or so to give myself something similar to like a peel that I would get at a salon, but I just do it at home. So these glycolic pads have really helped me in reducing the site of my hyperpigmentation from my acne. And what I love about these glycolic pads is that although they are effective, they're not too harsh on my skin. So they're gentle enough for me to use bi-weekly. So I've been enjoying seeing the results from using these. And if you are struggling with hyperpigmentation, I highly recommend that you give these a try. And that's my point of view.